Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to delete transaction history on your Chime mobile application. If you want to do so, it's really easy thing to do. Now here to do so, while it's not possible to directly delete transaction history on Chime due to financial regulation, there are a few steps that you can take to manage your transaction. The very important thing is that first you have to contact your Chime support. So this is the first step. You have to just go to bottom here, and once you go to the bottom here, you will get this option to contact us, and this is here, contact us. You can contact on this number, and then you can just contact them, and explain your situation to your Chime customer support and ask if there is any option for managing your transaction. Now the second thing is that look for an option to export or download your transaction history in the settings of transaction history settings. Save this information securely for your records. Check if Chime allow you to manage which type of transaction are visible or how detailed the transaction history. In extreme cases, after consulting with Chime support, consider closing your account and opening a new one. This is a significant step involving transferring funds and setting up direct deposit and automatic payments. Now regulate monitor your account for any unauthorized transaction or discrepancies. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.